Driving in oncoming traffic. TVI, TVI.
This intense chase started when officers attempted to stop a speeding tan SUV clocked at 90 miles per hour on State Highway 18. The driver ignored the lights and sirens, accelerating to 130 miles per hour, using the center turn lane and oncoming traffic lanes to evade law enforcement, creating dangerous conditions for other drivers.
Coming up on here near Nestle. We'll be coming through here in just a second. Yep, got 8 1 off. Look up behind you, he's swerving towards you.
Looking for that Charger, and before we get to Jonesboro.
So I'm Tom John 34 Edward, ATJ 34E. Gray Chevy Equinox. Live in Jonesboro, I'm secondary, 42, I'll call it. Yep. Driving in oncoming traffic, TVI, TVI.
After losing sight briefly, officers located the suspect near Jonesboro. Trooper Drum performed a successful tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, causing the suspect to flee on foot. Rashun Gary was quickly apprehended, while Trooper Drum was treated for minor injuries. This pursuit began when a red Chevrolet pickup driven by Wendell Jackson fled from police near East Broadway in North Little Rock. Speeds remained around 40 miles per hour as Trooper Calvert joined the chase and attempted multiple tactical vehicle interventions, TVIs, to stop the fleeing suspect.
Switch the sound. Pit it. Match that turn.
Approaching Broadway and Broadway. I'll hit him again.
You're right.
Not yet. It's got flat tires, so it's kind of hard to spin it, but it's doing about 40 miles an hour, light traffic. I'll wait till we get 40. Yeah, wait. Is that here? Turning south on the Broadway Bridge, and 55 go over the TVI into that wall.
Watch this car first. Now do it.
What?
Now. Wait.
Now?
No. Now. Down.
TVI into the wall now.
You gotta get deep. Deep. Four. Not now. You gotta come to traffic.
I don't hit that.
Put it in the wall. What?
The pursuit escalated as the suspect crossed the Broadway Bridge, where Sergeant Monroe successfully performed a TVI, causing the truck to spin and crash into a concrete barrier. Jackson was swiftly extracted from the vehicle and taken into custody. In the early hours of July 6, 2024, Hughes PD pursued an orange Dodge Charger speeding over 100 miles per hour northbound on Highway 79. As the chase entered Interstate 40, Trooper Garrett Byrd deployed a tire deflation device, damaging the suspect's tires. officers, but the vehicle continued at high speeds, eventually losing one tire as West Memphis Police and the Crittenden County Sheriff's Office joined the pursuit.
Alright, they hit the spikes. That's tangled up on my fucking golly. To avoid a car. I'm back on the road.
The Hughes officer at a spike. He's fixing the load and he got hit there.
Let them know I'm coming up behind them. State police is behind you. State police is behind you. I am primary. 280.
280. TBI.
Trooper Byrd took the lead, executing a tactical vehicle intervention that forced the Charger into the wall, but the driver fled on foot, evading capture. Inside the vehicle, officers found marijuana and tools likely used for vehicle theft. The female passenger, Tyshonda Tai, was arrested for multiple drug charges and obstruction after refusing to cooperate initially.